Good morning. So today I'm going to see if all these 3 eggs are 2 yolks in them. I don't know how to say it. Oh, that's a big yolk. I'm at my grandma's house doing it. Two yolk.
So we're looking for the double yoked
The
egg.
double yolk. Oh no!
Yay!
Yay!
It is!
Double yolk egg!
Oh my gosh!
Double yoked egg!
I wanted my granddaughter to experience a double yolk egg, and she did.
Okay, so let's try another one. Double yolk. Never saw that before. And they're huge.
Go ahead, crack it. You gotta peel that one and cut it in half.
This is a boiled egg.
So we're trying to see if it's double yolk.
Double yolk.
Double yolk. It's huge. Dan, did you bring this? Keep on going. It's a boiled egg. Now we're trying to see what it looks like. Still working.
Thing is big.
2,000 years later.
What is it?
Oh. It's cold. Cold.
Cut it.
Cut it.
Here you go.
No, the other way. Not that way.
Turn the egg.
The long way.
This way.
Just lay it down.
This way. Come on, Steve. Do it.
Oh my goodness! It's double yolk!
Dance about it.
I've never seen a double yolked egg before.
Dance about it. Dance about it. Oh.
Go.
It's where 2 yolks get combined together for double yolk egg. Thanks for watching. Bye.